Captain Moo here, and today I'm at lift 4 in the building. As I said, I'm gonna then call it again after. So, it opened because it was down cold. So this is lift 4. The man thought this was lift 1. Let's go up to 4. Let's see if open works. Open works, and close works as well. I like that little down arrow there. It's not a little, it's green. It's green on that one as well. Let's listen for the motor. Can't hear it.
You can, bitch.
Oh, you can. Oh, here's red one. Ah, look at that! Right, this bumps around when it stops. Yep. Here we are at floor 4. Let's go back down to floor L. Mum? Right.
Exit, please take the lift or stairs to level 2.
Right, so let's go to L. L. Now we should be going down now. Here we are. We go down. Now, I believe this is the only side where it opens. I know it. There's one opening. Oh, here's another floor. And here's L. Oh no, that's not L, that's 0. Here's L. Here we go. Now, I believe floor 0 is the only one that opens on that side. Let's go. God, the panel's hot. This lift must have been used a lot of times today. L. Oh my gosh, it takes a while to start up. Huh? We've confused it. Look how slow it's going. What is happening? I don't think that's supposed to happen. Ha ha ha, love it. Here we are at floor 0. And you can see the shaft there. It's open. Let me show you. I'll send it up. Now watch. This looks like a roped hydraulic. You can see the jack there. Yep, and watch. There's the cab. Yep, it's going up. There's 2 big holes in the floor of it and 4 LED lights. Now, this is lift 4, but we've been looking for lift 1. So that's what we're going to find next. So anyway, that has been Captain Moo in this nice Otis lift. So bye.